2020 Toyota 4Runner, doing a driveline joints. I'm going to lube them. So basically, when you come under the car here, there's going to be, this is a 4-wheel drive. So this is the front drive shaft. There's going to be a Zerk fitting right here. Right there. And then we'll move down here. And then we got your transfer case right here. And then if you go right in front of it, you have a Zerk fitting right here. And then there's also one inside right there, inside the U-joint. And then if you make your way to the transfer case, there's one right here, and there's one in this U-joint here. Okay, so then we're going to come to behind the transfer case. And then same thing, there's one on this U-joint, and then there's one inside right here as well. Here's a closer look, and it could be rotated, and it could be like on the top or the bottom or on the side. You just kind of got to find it. And then this one is right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get a grease gun. I'll link one down below. I got grease in it, and basically how these work is it has this little fitting, and when you squeeze this, grease comes out. When it's full, you only need to squeeze maybe like 2 pumps on each Zerk fitting, like maybe 2.5 or something. You don't want to overdo it. You'll go put it on here, connect it, you'll squeeze a couple times, and you can kind of feel it going in. And then any excess right here, I would just wipe off with like a rag. Just clean it off like that, and then that one's good. And then you just go ahead and go do them all. And that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. This was a 2020 4Runner, but a lot of them are exactly the same. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just a couple products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO LED headlights. These are the best headlights in my opinion. They just recently upgraded all their technology, so their LED lights are even brighter than the others that are still using old tech. I've had many LED lights as far as like headlights, interior lights, whatever, brake lights, and these are the best. They don't flicker, they're not cheap, they don't like go out on you. All you gotta do is go to the AUXITO website, type in your vehicle information, then look up what kind of light you want. All their products will pop up, and these are available on Amazon as well. But if you go to the website and use GearmoAuto in the discount code spot, you will get 15% off. So if you're looking for new brighter upgrades, check these out. Hey, what's up guys? I want to tell you about Quantum Soap. It's a new men's soap company. They got many different bars of soap, each with their own ingredients and fragrance and texture. They even have grittier bars for like mechanics or whoever, like the dark matter bar is extra gritty. If you go to their website, it's free shipping over $50. Each bar is about $5. You also get a 10% discount code for your first order. They're coming out with many new soaps. It's definitely worth checking out. Of course, I have a discount code for you. It's GearmoAuto. If you type it in at checkout, you'll get 10% off. You could use it as many times as you want every time you order. These make great gifts to husbands, boyfriends, uncles, nephews. They even got the Galactic mechanic bar. It's super gritty for mechanics, so check that out. Type in the GearmoAuto promo code. That way they know you're one of the homies. And that's it, guys.